Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make liquid caramel. First, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need granulated sugar, water, and a clean, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Using a heavy pan is crucial because it helps distribute heat evenly, preventing your sugar from burning in spots. This simple preparation sets you up for success in creating delicious caramel. Now, let's start with the wet method. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in your saucepan. Place the pan over medium-high heat. It's very important not to stir the mixture at this stage. Stirring can cause crystallization. Instead, gently swirl the pan occasionally to help dissolve the sugar evenly and prevent sticking. Continue cooking the sugar mixture, watching closely as it transforms. You're looking for a beautiful, rich amber color, similar to a copper penny. This usually happens when the temperature reaches around 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it hits this perfect shade, immediately remove the pan from the heat. Overcooking even for a few seconds can lead to a bitter, burnt taste. To stop the cooking process and achieve a smooth liquid caramel, carefully and slowly add 1/4 cup of hot water to the hot caramel. Be cautious, as it will bubble vigorously. Stir gently until the caramel is completely smooth and uniform. Once cooled, transfer your delicious liquid caramel to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.